Stocks rose for a fourth consecutive day, pushing the Standard & Poor's 500 to the highest levels since October. For more details, let's go to Michelle Steele at the New York Stock Exchange. Michelle?
Hey, Pam. Good evening, everybody. You know, all three major indexes ending the week on a positive note here. Nice broad-based rally in today's trading session. The S&P reaching, as you said, its highest level since October after existing home sales rose to a two-year high. The S&P crossing 1,000 and has surged 51% from its March lows. You know, all 10 industry groups here in the green today. Today, though, the story really all about energy from a market leadership perspective. Crude oil futures reaching a 10-month high, and that helped the S&P Energy Index lead those 10 industry groups higher today. Exxon, Schlumberger, Chevron, all posting gains on the day. Materials and industrials rounding out the top three leading industry groups in the S&P today. Now, as for individual names, retailers making some interesting moves I want to talk about. Limited Brands reaching its highest price since October 7. Gap moving higher after posting better than estimated profit. We told you about that last night. Aeropostale also jumping after second quarter profit beat estimates. You know, elsewhere, Starbucks reaching a 52-week high today. That's after saying it would raise the prices on some drinks by as much as 30 cents. JM Smucker also seeing a 12-month high after its earnings beat analyst estimates by 15%. The worst performer on the S&P, though, Intuit. They make that TurboTax software, of course. Company forecast earnings for fiscal 2010 of $1.96 a share, falling just shy of the $2 analysts expected, though it's worth noting that more than 72% of S&P companies beat estimates for second quarter profit. That's the highest proportion since Bloomberg began tracking that data in 1993. Pam, back over to you. You have a good weekend.
Thank you very much. You too, Michelle Steele, reporting from the NYSE.